Anthropic just released Claude Design. A new tool lets you make visual work by talking to Claude. And you've probably heard, it sent Adobe and Figma's stock prices into a tailspin. Why are investors panicking? Is the era of the traditional designer over? Today, we're looking into Claude Design to see if it's truly coming for your job. The first thing you need to know is that Claude Design is a dedicated workspace for pro, team, or enterprise users. Now, I'll show you the step-by-step guide of Claude Design. Step 1. Pre-production. Gathering your ingredients. Remember when the client told you to do whatever you want and they ended up making you do 10 revisions of your design? Yeah, don't do that to Claude. Spend 10 minutes collecting your brand materials before you open the tool. Collect your SVG logos, exact hex color codes, and .ttf font files. Then, screenshot the websites you admire most. Claude Opus 4.7 is a master at identifying layouts from images. Finally, write a concise brief. Define your goal, target audience, and the vibe. Step 2. Design system. Head to your organization settings to set up your design system. Claude will analyze your files and generate a component library, including colors, typography, button styles, and cards. Double-check the font rendering. If it's off, leave a note. Once you hit publish, this system becomes the source for every future design, ensuring 100% brand consistency. Step 3. Project types. Pick your project type based on your objective. Claude gives you 4 options. Slide decks. These are browser-native slides with fluid transitions. You can ask Claude for a 10-slide outline before requesting the full design. Landing pages. This is perfect for marketing. Claude generates sections like heroes, benefits, and FAQs, with high converting copy right out of the gate. Prototypes. This is where you build apps. Choose wireframe to nail the structure, or high fidelity for that polished look. Claude creates clickable links so you can test the user flow instantly. Templates. If you're doing repetitive work like weekly reports or thumbnails, save your layout as a template to save 90% of your time on the next round. Step 4. Refinement. Editing and optimizing. Every design Claude creates appears in a window on the right called an artifact. This is like your digital canvas, so never settle for the first draft. Use these tools to polish. Tweaks. Use the right-hand sliders for rapid global changes like dark mode or accent colors. Direct editing. Click any headline to change text, or drag elements to adjust padding and margins. Add an animated growth chart here. Claude will fix that specific spot without breaking the rest of the design. Step 5. Bridge to Claude Code. Once you're satisfied, hit the Handoff button. Claude will package your entire design into a data bundle and gives you a terminal command. You'll need to open a terminal. Yup, that black screen hackers use in movies. But don't panic. You don't need to know how to code. Simply paste the command into Claude Code. It will read your design and automatically builds a functional website in React or Next.js while you sit back and watch. Current limits what you need to know. Claude Design is powerful, but it's not magic. Here are its limits so that you know what to expect. Quota. It's like a battery. Simple designs use a little power. Complex motion graphics drain it fast. No multiplayer. Unlike Figma, you can't have multiple people editing in real time yet. Complexity. For apps with extremely intricate logic, you'll still need to get your hands dirty in the code. Pro tips. Be specific. Instead of make it look better, say increase whitespace by 20px and use bold weights for headlines. Self-audit. Always ask, audit this design for accessibility and color contrast. Layer complexity. Start with a raw layout, then layer in animations and advanced effects in subsequent prompts. Here's the community-approved strategy to avoid getting wrecked. Use Opus 4.7 for your first prompt only. This is the most important one as it sets the foundation for your entire design. Spend the tokens here to get a high-quality starting point. Switch to Sonnet 4.6 for all subsequent edits and tweaks. Edits are surprisingly cheap and fast, so you can iterate without burning through your entire plan. Is Claude Design really that powerful? On Reddit, the community is having some debate whether it's gonna take the designer's job. Claude Design just launched, and I'm genuinely scared for my career as a designer. 16 years as a designer. I think it's spectacular. If you take the time to set up a design system, or are lucky like me to already have one, it takes all the grunt work out of manually placing each element and lets you focus on the big picture UX. I just looked it up and I'm not super worried about it. The work it produces is mid, and the already investor subsidized token cost is absolutely astronomical. If you were to use this tool with any frequency in a workflow, you'd be burning through like $150 a day in tokens. If you are a good designer, it will be the perfect tool for you and help you get to the point faster. If you are a bad designer, Claude will kind of help you to make things a bit better. Like a frozen gourmet meal will taste better than a frozen pizza. As for the will it replace designers debate, the consensus is a firm no. You still need a human with good taste and a creative eye to guide the tool. So Claude Design isn't going to take your job, but a designer who knows how to use it just might. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe to AI Fire to get the latest news of the AI revolution.